Hi guys, welcome back to Island Girl Recipes. Today we're going to be making ginger and lime tea. This is a favourite of mine first thing in the morning. You got the fire of the ginger with a little added spice of cinnamon and cloves. So here we go. So for our ingredients, really simple. We have some root ginger, a cinnamon stick, some cloves and some fresh limes. To prepare them, we're going to start with the ginger, and all I'm going to do is peel this with a spoon and then grate it all, putting it straight into the pan. Ginger's grated, we're going to add to the pan our cinnamon stick, the cloves, and then we're going to squeeze in the juice of both limes. I've also topped this up with 1.5 litres of water. Once that stage is complete, we're going to put it onto the fire and boil it for around 15 to 20 minutes. Take it off and then set it aside to cool. You can do this for a few hours, but the longer you leave it, the better. So I'm going to leave mine overnight. This has rested overnight and it's ready to be strained. So you can use a clean tea towel or an old t-shirt, but as long as it's clean, that's fine. And we're just going to strain the ginger from the liquid, and that is essentially our tea. So now that this liquid has been strained, your tea is essentially done. So I'm going to pour this into a bottle so I can keep it in the fridge. And when I'm ready to serve it, I just heat a little bit up, and then you can add your sweetener, i.e. maple syrup, sugar, or agave, whatever you prefer. But in this way, then you can sweeten it to whatever taste that you like and make it suit yourself. there we go guys, that's my ginger and lime tea. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you like, please hit the thumbs up button, comment, share, and of course subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I drop these videos first. Until the next time, peace and love.